Hello, I'm Mike Brody here at Sportsland in Salt Lake City, here to show you the 2022 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2100 BH. It's our bunkhouse version. This thing weighs under 4,000 pounds, light, easy to tow, 7 feet wide versus most of the other ones are 8 feet wide, so you got a little bit of a narrow trailer to pull, nice and easy. We can start back here. I'll kind of run through the outside, and then we'll jump into the inside. We got a nice awning here, comes out about 8 feet, nice LED light strip underneath, a couple of speakers. Got the aluminum construction with the Asdel and brick foam siding. This one is the Comfort Tech package and the Explorer Tech package. They raise it up a little bit. They got the nice bigger off-road tires. You got 4 stabilizers in each corner. They're all independently controlled on the same side, so if you're on kind of uneven terrain, you can get them up and low. Let's see, you got a ladder back here with the fully walk-on roof. We buy them with the solar panels. So you got solar panels on this. That'll help keep the battery trickle charged when you're out dry camping. You got an outside hot and cold shower in the rear. It has a little receiver back here, so you can hook up a cargo basket and throw some bikes back here or something. Let's see, we'll walk around here. Oh wait, got to mention the Voyager backup camera. That's pre-prepped, so you can just add a camera and you can see what's going on behind you as you're driving down the road or backing up. Keep you from having to send your wife out and yelling at each other. So that's save your marriage right there. This is a kind of a flexible. Is this a flexible? Yeah, it's kind of a flexible awning situation. So if you have a little bit of a wind, you should be okay. But if it starts blowing, you probably want to back that in so you don't get it ripped off. It does include a backer location for a TV. You can put a TV up out here, plug it in, have your campsite out here, put some chairs up. It's got some 110 outlets that you can hook up your TV or blender or something. I've got your black tank flush. This will allow you don't have to take your hose inside, rinse out your toilet when you're done camping. Just hook it up right here, turn it on, release the valves out there, and it'll blow out all that dirty black water and gray water from your tanks. Actually, just the black water. You got some cable inputs for your TV if you want to put a TV out here. This also comes with a grill you can put up out here and connect it down to the LP Quick Connect. Let's see, coming up front, you got your pass-through storage right here with this slam shut door. This is nice and insulated. You got a pass-through from the front underneath the bed. You can access anything that's in here. Your solar charge controller is back up in here. That'll help keep your batteries trickle charged. And then right on the other side over here, you'll have a little battery disconnect that you can kind of see in there. Coming up front, we got this nice gel-coated fiberglass cap, diamond plate rock guard to keep your rocks and stuff from chipping at your front cap. You got your nice electric tongue jack with a light. You can easily make it go up and down, back up your truck and get that loaded nice and easy. It comes with 2 propane tanks. Then coming around the side here, you can hook up more solar panels with this solar on the side plate right here. You can get a nice little 20-foot cord or something, aim your solar panels up at the sun, and get a little bit more solar going into your batteries if you'd like. Coming back around here, let's see, you got your 3-inch water spout. So if it's raining, your water's not going to drip down the side of the trailer. Keep that from happening. Back here, we got your door to access little bit of storage back here. This is where the bunks are inside. This top bunk, actually this bottom bunk, will fold up and lock into place. So you can throw maybe a generator back here, mountain bike, smaller bike, something like that. You got your satellite hookups, park cable, TV hookups, city water, your 30 amp service back here. You got some windows from the bunks so your kids can see what's going on outside if they want. And I think that's it for the outside. We can meet you in the inside and I'll tell you what's going on in there. All right, here we are on the inside of the 2022 2100 BH bunkhouse version. This is a nice kind of smaller unit for a family of 4, 5, or 6. You can sleep, 2 people here on the queen size bed up front. This table will go down nice and easy, and you can sleep another 1 or 2 people right here. And then you got the bunks back here. You can sleep another 1 or 2 kids back here. So you could easily sleep 6 people in this unit. You got a lot of storage and counter space in here. You got all this counter space in here. Nice big farm style sink, a little faucet that you can spray around. You got some deep cabinets up here. It also comes with these little sink holders so you can get a little bit more counter space if you want. Right there. I've got a 3-burner stove in this. And you got a convection oven, microwave combo. They took out the regular ovens in these and they put in the better convection ovens. You got a little bit, they give you a little bit more storage down here to put some pots and pans, cooking, stuff like that. Down here you got your breaker box and your fuses. And then you got lots and lots of storage down here, a couple of drawers, a little bit of access to plumbing down there. And you got some nice big spaces in here as well. And again, you got the counter space, you got a little TV on a swing arm so you can swing it around, watch it from the bed, or even the bunks over here. They gave you a little wireless phone charger right here so you can throw your phone down and your phone will start charging up. You got the 8 cubic foot fridge and freezer over here. Nice Dometic fridge. It's gas and electric. It'll do a good job keeping all of your food cold. You got all of your vents that will turn and close if you want to close up some of your vents. Maybe your kids are getting too cold up here. And then again, back here, you also, besides the vents, you got some USB ports on each level of your bunks so your kids can play on their iPads or their phones while they're hanging out camping with you. And then if we want to turn around, I'll show you the bed on this side. So you got your little queen size bed right here. Got lots of upstairs cabinet space. So you can fit a lot of stuff up in here. And of course, you got a little bit more storage underneath. This gets you into the front pass-through, so you have access to everything that you put outside in the front. Then you got some USB ports and 110 outlets down here as well. Of course, you got this little privacy curtain that'll come out and get a little bit of privacy from your kids if you have them with you. And then let's take a look at the bathroom, which is back over here. Got a decent sized bathroom back here. Nice big shower. I can stand in here. I'm about 5'10", and you can see I'm more than doable to do a little bit of spraying and wash myself down. Of course, you have the outside hot and cold shower as well. If you're a little bit muddy, you can rinse off before coming into the unit. Rinse off your mountain bikes or your dog, stuff like that. Got a little bit of space in here, nice elbow room. And got some vents. You got a fantastic vent up here. You got some ducts for the AC up here in the bathroom, so it's going to keep you nice and cool on a hot summer day back here. And what else? These lights, they're all LED, so it'll save you a little bit of battery. All these are on LED lights, so they hardly take up any battery power. What else can I tell you about this? I think that might be all. If you have any questions, feel free to call or text Motor Sportsland. Feel free to give us a call, come down here, and we'll be more than happy to show you one of these units and hopefully get your name on one. Thanks for watching.